Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, how are you? My name is Stephany and I love everything planner related, so I hope that you'll stick around and consider subscribing for weekly videos. But for today's video, I'm going to be unboxing what I purchased from Rongrong's Black Friday event, and I'm super excited about this because if you know, I am a Rongrong ambassador, and she was kind enough to send over some goodies that were available for the Black Friday event. But there was one item that I didn't receive and I really wanted it, so that is why I placed another order, and I am happy to support as well. So if you guys like any of the items, go ahead and check out the link in the description box below and use code Stephany10 so you guys can save 10% off of any of your Rongrong goodies. So I went ahead and opened this up already because she packages them well, and sometimes I struggle with that, so I went ahead and ripped it open. So let's go ahead and dive in. Oh, and actually my invoice is here, so let me get that out and let's get in here. All right, so first we have her little thank you card and some information about her social media. So I love this. I always keep those, so I have so many of those. And then I went ahead and picked up This Is My Year sticker book. This sticker book coordinates with her first planner that released last year, I believe. And so I have the planner, I just didn't have the sticker book, so I went ahead and picked this up. So let's go ahead and do a quick little flip through. I have not seen this one, but it just looks so pretty from the outside. So it has over 400 stickers. So we have some clear quotes, some headers. I love how big these are, and these are paper. Some more headers, and look at how beautiful the illustrations are. I am super excited to use this one, and I cannot wait for her new planner as well because I did go ahead and order it. It is disc bound this time because her first planner was a O-ring binding, so I am excited to receive her new planner, and this is gonna go so great with it. Look at how beautiful these are. So what I ended up grabbing that was not sent to me is the Hands Off My Stickers sticker album. I just think this is so pretty. I love the rose gold, so I just had to have it. So let's go ahead and open this up. Like, how pretty is this? I love the rose gold coil, and look at this foil as well. The cover is really thick and hard. I love that. And so here is the inside, beautiful illustrations. And so then we get to the pages themselves. They are blank, nothing on them, and you're only able to use this part of it, not the left hand side, just this part. So if you guys have any of her planner sticker packs, these are the ones that would probably be best here if you are not sure of how to store these ones, because as you can see, this is not a sticker book, it is a sticker pack, so they're just sticker sheets. So if you have no way of storing them and you did pick up this sticker album, maybe you could organize them by like sticker pack. So it's just nice and easy, and I bet you could fit maybe like, let's see, maybe like 3, if not 4 pages on one side, depending on how tight you put them, I would think. So it's very easy. You can just peel them right up. You don't have to fuss with it. It's nice and simple. So I'm not sure how I want to organize them yet. And it's also great for like traveling. So if you know that you'll be going out of town and don't want to take all of these sticker packs or sticker books, you can just pre-plan and choose the stickers that you want to use, lay them here, and instead of having to take all of these items, it is just your sticker album, and it is so small. the thickness of it. It's just so convenient to take this instead of a lot of sticker books. So you get quite a few of these pages, and like I said, you can't use the left hand side, the back of it, but you can use the right. And then back here we have like these little sleeve protectors, and they open from right here. So if ever you don't know what you want to create, but you want to take a sticker pack with you, then you can just place it in here and you're good to go. Like, how good is that? So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of these protective sleeves. And then here is the back cover. Beautiful. I just love this. And this is the back. And so this sticker album coordinates so well with her new planner, and so I really wanted it, and I cannot wait to get that planner because I think it's just going to be amazing. I love the fact that she switched over to a disc bound system, and so I cannot wait to get it. I am just checking my email and waiting for those notifications, and I just cannot wait and start using it for 2022. And so, like I mentioned, Rongrong was able to send me these other items as an ambassador. So but she sent over this sticky note pad. So you have lots of sticky notes, different sizes, and look at these like habit trackers for your mood, your water intake. I just love this. And then I was also sent over this Heels and Hustle sticker book. Very neutral, and I did do an unboxing of these goodies, so if you guys want to check that out, I'll go ahead and link that video down in the description box below. And then the last item that she sent over was this vegan leather pouch, and so it is so beautiful. I love the color scheme with this line. So say that you want to take your sticker album and it just fits in here so well, and then maybe the sticky notes and I don't know, maybe a sticker book. So it just fits in here so nicely, and I just love these. So make sure you guys check her out. I will have my affiliate link down in the description box below. It's Stephany10, so you guys can save 10% off of your order. But I am loving all of these items. I just really couldn't wait to get my hands on this sticker album. I really wanted it, so I'm glad that I was able to pick it up, and I cannot wait to start organizing my stickers. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans, and I'll see you next time.